my name is Piyush and I study in BRS Global School grade 8. Today I am going to show you how to build a very simple app called Talk to Me. First, you should go to Google and type www.stemdac.in and log in with your Google account. I have already logged in. Then you are going to get two interfaces, the designer and the blocks. First, there are five sections in the designer part: palette, viewer, components, media, and the properties. In the palette, from the user interface, first you should drag and drop a text box, then a button which you should rename as Speak, and then you should go to media in the palette and then drag and drop a text to speech, and then your designer part is done. You can go to blocks. In the blocks, first you should drag and drop when speak dot click from speak. Then you should drag and drop call text to speech dot speak from your text to speech 1, and you should attach text box 1 dot text from text box 1, and your design blocks part is also done. Now you can go to build and ask the app to provide a QR code. Then you can scan the QR code and download the app in your mobile, or you can save it to your computer and then transfer it to your mobile. Now I'm going to show I already built. See, the app will be like this. Now you can type whatever you want here.
Hi. Good morning. Thank you.
That's it. Thank you for watching.